Hello there. This is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, welcome to our May the 4th build giveaway powered by Intel. Today, we are building a beautiful custom built PC with all the parts you see right here in front of me, and we're gonna be putting them all into this beautiful custom design case from our friends at ENIAC. This build will be topped off with the best processors on the market, the Intel Core i9-12900K CPU. This will make sure the computer performs at light speed for all the tasks we are going to throw at it. And not only do you get the chance to win this in our giveaway, links will be in the description down below, but you'll also get the opportunity to buy a limited run series version of this exact kind of build with all of these same components. So without further ado, let's get started with the build.
To start off this build, we start with the case, the InWin Nebula N127 case that our team at ENIAC customized with this sleek looking wrap. Then they topped it off with precision edge lines inspired by some popular spaceship designs. Then as our base, we went with the ASUS ROG Strix Z690F that supported our Intel 12th Gen processor, DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0, and our two M.2 slots. This motherboard gave us everything we needed for this build now and will be easy to upgrade with new parts in the future. And to ensure this build gave us the best performance, we did use the 12th Gen Intel Core i9-12900K as our processor. It gives us 16 cores and up to 5.2 gigahertz speeds with Intel Turbo Boost, so you get the speed you need thanks to the 8 performance cores and the quieter system when you're doing the basics thanks to the efficiency cores. Plus, the K series comes unlocked and ready to overclock faster than 12 parsecs. To make sure we are able to do as much multitasking without slowing down, we went with two 16 CORSAIR Dominator Platinum sticks of RAM. 32 gigs should be enough for now. For storage, we ended up going with two 1TB MSI SPATIUM series NVMe's to make sure we don't run out of space anytime soon. And while I was installing them, I was able to peel off some plastic for those oh so satisfying sounds. After that, it was time to put our cooling in for the CPU. We went with an all-in-one liquid cooling solution from Thermaltake, the TH240. This was perfect because it supports ASUS Aura RGB, so we can sync that up later. Also, let me know if you found the thermal paste mount on the right side, or if you found the lack of paste disturbing, in the comments section down below. Then we move on to the GPU. Here we went with the MSI Ventus RTX 3080 Ti. This model packs 12 gigs of GDDR6X RAM and will give you the benefits of NVIDIA's RTX hardware and software. And finally, to power it all, we chose an 850 watt CORSAIR RMX series PSU. It's an 80+ gold certified full modular power supply that was perfect for this build to power everything we needed.
Alright guys, so now that we have the desktop fully built, I figured let's play some games while we're at it. And one of the cool things is this desktop also does come with Windows 11 pre-installed, so I just booted it up and now it's time to have some fun. Okay, so let's start off with the third-person game. Checking out the frames per second right now, we're at about 100 FPS. This monitor can go up to 144, and we have configured everything for Epic. So let's see how it plays, let's see how it goes. Go over a little patch over here where you can find these little monsters. But so far as it's going, it's gone up to 140. Let's get rid of some of these plants. We're going 120 to 140, but not that much of a slowdown, obviously. And going pretty well. Now back up to 144. So the lowest we went was around the 80s, but overall, besides that, it seems to be working pretty well, and obviously it's pushing out a really nice looking display. All right, and now we are gonna test out a first person game. This is a fighter pilot game. We'll see how I do. I'm not that good at it, but again, we're just kind of seeing it the frames per second, which right now we're at 144. So, I mean, it's been sticking 144, but let's see what happens as soon as we actually get to some action. Okay, so I'm just really not good at this game with the keyboard and mouse. But as you can see, it is kept up the 144 frames per second, no problem. Dang. Okay, I swear I was actually hitting these.
There it is, the ABS legendary May the 4th PC build in all its glory. Powered by Intel and inspired by the Galaxy.